Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to access calendar by tapping on it. Then click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event. Then adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title, pick starting hour, ending one. You can also disable this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Over here, choose does not repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. I don't want to, so I will go with does not repeat and scroll down. Now over here you can take notes, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, or even add location. Type in an address, click on the correct one and save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes and choose Save at the top right corner as well. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, select Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!